is over $1,800. It's pretty high. Should I buy? This is a common question that I get, so let me answer it now for the benefit of all. The price of 1,800 may look high now because we are comparing it to the price it was last week, last month, or last year when the price of gold was below 1,500. Obviously, the price now is higher. However, 1,800 is nothing compared to the price it will be in 6 months, 1 year, and most certainly 2 years' time. The price of gold will certainly climb in the coming days. I should know. I've been buying gold for the past 3 years. Actually, all the time when I was buying it, the price was an all-time high at that time. When I bought it at 1,000, it was an all-time high. When I bought it at 1,100, it was the all-time high. When I bought it at 1,200, it was also the all-time high. So it was an all-time high all the time when I was buying it. Yet the price kept on rising, higher and higher. The same thing applies now. The price of gold will keep on rising higher in the coming days. If you know the reasons why the price of gold has been rising, remember that gold has been the best performing investment in the past 10 years, rising by over 19% per annum. You will realize that 1,800 is nothing. The price will rise higher, significantly higher, as the situation for gold gets even better in the future. So, should you buy gold? The answer is an overwhelming yes. If you already own some, good. Go out and buy some more. If you do not yet own gold, then this is a good time to start buying it. At the same time, I must add a cautionary note. It is not enough to buy gold. You must buy the right form of gold to be able to benefit from the price rise. If you bought the incorrect form, instead of making money, you could actually lose money. And that would be the ultimate tragedy, already owning gold and yet unable to make money from it. With that in mind, you'll be happy to know that I will be conducting a workshop entitled Retire Rich by Investing in Gold and Silver in September. The contents include the history of gold and silver, advantages and disadvantages of both metals, uses of gold and silver, uses of gold and silver, the risks involved, factors affecting the price of gold and silver, 7 questions you must ask yourself before making any investments, the different investment choices available in Malaysia, why buy gold and silver now, which products to choose and why, the step-by-step method of investing in gold and silver, what products to avoid, where to store your gold and silver. By the way, I am not just speaking about it, I am also a serious investor in gold. I started investing in gold more than 3 years ago and have been buying practically on a monthly basis ever since. As a bonus, I have invited a super fund manager, Bill Worming, to share his extensive knowledge and long experience in both metals with you. Bill has over 30 years experience in the financial industry. He has been a broker, analyst, commodity dealer, fund manager, representative, and active trader. Bill will be sharing his extensive knowledge and experience with you at the workshop, which will help you make better decisions when it comes to gold and silver. Finally, as this is the first time I'll be speaking about both metals, it also means that you will be among the first people in the country to know about them. This will give you an advantage over others. Complete details about the workshop is available at www.millionairesplanet.com/goldsilver.htm. Click on the site and all your questions will be answered. That's www.millionairesplanet.com/goldsilver.htm. Log on now. I'll see you at the workshop.